A long time ago, in the magical kingdom of Trigonia, everything was made of triangles, the houses, the mountains, and even the king's castle. The kingdom was ruled by King Sine, Queen Cosine, and their son, Prince Tangent. They had a special magic power. They could change the size and shape of triangles. They had a powerful book of magic that contained the most important trigonometry formulas. One day, the great wizard Pythagoras warned them, if you forget the magic rules, Trigonia will disappear. To save the kingdom, the royal family had to memorize each formula and use them wisely. Chapter 1, The Pythagorean Prophecy. The oldest and most powerful magic spell in the kingdom was carved on the royal palace walls: sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Story trick: King Sine and Queen Cosine always worked together. Their combined power is always 1, no more, no less. Whenever one becomes strong, the other becomes weak, but together, they are perfect. Easy way to remember: think of a king and queen ruling together, balancing each other's powers. Chapter 2. Prince Tangent and the Invisible Stairs. Prince Tangent wanted to climb the tallest tower in Trigonia. But there were no stairs. Then, the royal mathematician told him a secret spell to make invisible stairs appear. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Story trick: Prince Tangent has to get to the top of the tower, so secant made stairs for him. Similarly, cotangent also got help from cosecant. Easy way to remember: tangent stairs are made by secant. Cotangent stairs are made by cosecant. Chapter 3. The magic of negative angles. One day, an evil wizard flipped the angles upside down, making everything look weird. The people of Trigonia were scared, but the royal wizard reminded them of these spells: sine of minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. Cos of minus theta is equal to cos theta. Tan of minus theta is equal to minus tan theta. Story trick: sine and tangent don't like being flipped, so they change signs. Cosine doesn't care about flipping, so it stays the same. Easy way to remember: sine and tangent get dizzy when flipped, negative sign. Cosine stays cool and unchanged. Chapter 4. The Secret 90 Degrees Rule. One day, a sunbeam hit the great clock tower at a perfect 90 degrees angle, and the people of Trigonia saw a magical pattern: sine of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Cos of 90 minus theta is equal to sine theta. Tan of 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Story trick: when angles get close to 90 degrees, they swap places like a magic trick. Easy way to remember: sine and cosine switch. Tangent and cotangent switch. Chapter 5. The Power of Adding Angles. One day, two warriors, A and B, wanted to defeat a giant by combining their strengths. But they needed a spell to do so. The wizard gave them these formulas: sine of a plus b is equal to sine A, cos b, plus cos A, sine b. Cos of a plus b is equal to cos A, cos b, plus sine A, sine b. Story trick: sine mixes things up, addition between sine and cosine. Cosine stays organized, cosine sticks with cosine, sine sticks with sine. Easy way to remember: sine mixes everything. Cosine is careful. Chapter 6. Double Power and Half Power Magic. The great sorcerer of Trigonia discovered two new spells: doubling spell, double angle formula: sine of 2a is equal to 2 sine A into cos A. Cos of 2a is equal to cos square A minus sine square A. Story trick: when the king wants twice the power, he doubles his forces with sine and cosine. Easy way to remember: sine doubles up, 2 sine A into cos A. Cosine follows the Pythagorean rule. Half power spell, half angle formula. Sine of A by 2 is equal to square root of 1 minus cos A by 2. Cos of A by 2 is equal to square root of 1 plus cos A by 2. Story trick: when the kingdom needs half the power, they use the square root spell. Easy way to remember: half angle always has a square root. Sine uses, 1 minus cos, cosine uses, 1 plus cos. Trigonia lives forever. From that day on, King Sine, Queen Cosine, and Prince Tangent made sure that everyone in the kingdom followed the magic rules of trigonometry. And so, the magical kingdom of Trigonia remained safe and powerful forever. Now, whenever you see sine, cosine, or tangent, just remember this story. Let me know if you liked it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please share, like, and subscribe. Video is sponsored by AE Academy.